Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and today I'm making this lead magnet landing page with the Divi theme. This is a pretty simple landing page to make. I do a step-by-step tutorial that I'm going to take you through right now, and if you're getting value out of this, if you could just hit the like button and subscribe button, and I greatly appreciate that, and I can bring you more tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into the tutorial right now. Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and we're just doing a simple landing page for a lead magnet with the Divi theme. I already got a blank page template going right here. I've got a section in a row, and I'm just going to go here and go to text, and I'm going to add some text in here. This is just going to be some headline text. Alright, so once you have your text in there, go to design and text, and you can ultra bold it. Alright, and then I like to do black, and then let's go ahead and put this in the center. And let's raise up the text size of it. 28 looks good. Just go to check. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here to this section and go to background, and let's go ahead and make just a little gray background here. Alright, go to check. I'm going to go back to the text and go to design and spacing, zero out the top and bottom margins. Go to check. Then let's go to the row settings and go to spacing and zero out the top and bottom margins there as well. Oops. Alright, and then let's go to content and background, and we're going to make that background white. Go to check. Okay, now let's go ahead and duplicate this row, and we'll go ahead and go to this row structure right here and do it 2 column. Move this text over here. I'll go to this row and go to image. We'll add an image in right here. Now I will change this text. Or I'll add some more text there. Paste that in, design and text. This is going to be bold, and it's going to bring a little bit less text size. Alright, bring that down. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this one, and then I'm just going to do something special for this one real fast here. And just so I'm going to get some new text. Alright, paste it in there. Then what I'm going to do is background, and it's going to be red, design and spacing, and then just there's going to be a little bit of spacing here, probably 4 pixels on each side. Actually, let's go to 2. Alright, and then what we'll do is we'll make this text white. Then we'll just put a little shadow on it, and bring it down a little bit. Alright, then we'll go back to spacing. And we'll do margin this time. Okay, do the margin. We'll just do 8 pixels on top and bottom margin there. Check. We'll do this one, design and spacing. We're gonna do 8 pixels on top and the bottom. This one can be padded or margins, that doesn't really matter. And we'll go ahead and take this down. Let's go to regular. Just bold. Semi-bold. Bold looks good. Okay, check. Actually, I'm going to have to bring this down a little bit more. Design and spacing on top. Let's go with 32. And let's go on the bottom. Let's go 16. Alright, check. And now what we're going to do is you see how this is cutting off right here? You don't want that touching the edge. So go back in here and go design and spacing. And then on the margins, let's just go 16. Alright, and you can see that brought that in. Go check. Now we'll go here and go to email opt-in. Alright, let's go to this text and erase this text. Erase this text. Let's go down here and go to this button, and we'll go to the get the report as the text there. Now we'll go here to the button styles and use a custom style, increase text size some. Okay, and then let's go ahead and get the background color. Let's make it blue. Let's make it blue. Okay, and then we're gonna make this border width, no border, no radius. The letter spacing is fine. Let's go to the font weight. We'll go to ultra bold, just 'cause I like it a lot. No button icon. Let's go and add let's add a little inner shadow there. And then let's take the strength down just a tad bit. Let's add a little text shadow to the letters there to make them pop just a tad bit more. Alright, and then let's go to these fields. and make the field width 1. Okay, and let's take this color down just a little bit to lighter gray. Alright, and then you want to choose your email account here. So depending on your service provider, I use GetResponse, so I only have a name and email. So that's what I use. You can use whatever you like though. Then I'm going to go design and layout, and then I'm going to put the body on the bottom, form on top, and we'll go to spacing and then just zero out the top and the bottoms. And then you can zero out the left and right too if you want. Alright, but I like to keep a little bit on the left and the right there. We'll do the 16. And we'll go to content and background and delete that and go to check. Alright, so that's what we have right now. And this would be a good time to save it if you are doing this. It'd be a good time to save. Save early, save often. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do something a little bit different here. I'm just going to take a picture with awesome screenshot. And this is a cool little technique that I use. So I'm just going to take a picture with awesome screenshot. Capture selected area. I'm just going to capture this selected area right here. And I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm going to make sure I'm getting some white space in here. So I'm going to capture. Alright, now what are you going to do is just go to arrow. And then a little arrow right here. And I'm just going to go like that. And you can control the width of it too. I'm just going to make it a little bit skinnier. And actually not that skinny, but let's just pick something out that's really nice here. Okay, and I'm just going to just add some arrows right here. Alright, and then I'll go to crop. I'll crop this out. Crop, and done. Then I'll download it. Alright, then I go back over my lead magnet page here, and let's go ahead and go to image, add an image. Alright, and then we're just going to drag and drop our lead magnet image in there. Go design and alignment, and we'll put it right in the center there. And then we'll also go to spacing and zero out the top and the bottoms. And then we'll go to this column right here and go to design and sizing and equal heights. Yep. And then we'll put the alignment in the center there and go to check. Alright, so once we get here, let's go ahead and space some things out on this top one right here on the text settings, design and spacing. So I'm going to do 16 on the top and the bottom. And go to check. Actually, I'll probably make this text size just a little bit bigger. Alright, check. Then let's go ahead and we could just put a little bit of spacing, design and spacing. Zero out the top and the bottoms here. Then I'm just going to put a little bit on the padding here. Just go with, let's just go with 40 on the top there. Go check. Now what I'm going to do is just go to this row and go to settings, design and border. Just go a little, make it 1. And yeah, 1's good. We'll make it a little bit light gray here. Okay, now let's go to the box shadow, and we will put a little box shadow on it. Okay, just bring that down. Border, and then back to the border on the bottom. Border width, none. Now what we want to do is go to check. Alright, so let's see if we can do this. Copy these styles, copy row styles, and then just go to paste row styles. And we'll mess up a couple things, and when we get back in here, design and sizing, equalize column heights, check. And let's go in here, design and border. Okay, the top border, take that down. Then for the box shadow, you want to come down here and you want to get the angle a little bit different position here for the vertical. Okay, I'm going to bring the vertical down. Do the box, the strength, you can mess around with that if you wanted to. Alright, and let's just keep it just like that. And the spread strength. Alright, check. Alright, now let's go up here to the row settings, design and spacing. We actually go to sizing and go to max height and just make the height like 1200. Alright, you go check. Now let's just check it on the tablet. Alright. A couple things we can do right here. Just go to settings here, design, and let's go to the paintbrush text, and let's go to line height. And you want to change the line height 0.1. Okay, go here, design and sizing, and then you want to scroll over on the phone. You just want to bring it down on the tablet, bring it down to whatever it is, 85%. Looks better. Okay, check. Same thing for there, design and spacing, or yeah, spacing, I guess you can go to, and 16. I was gonna say you could do sizing if you wanted to, but you know, or you could do. Let me show you something else. You could do 90%. It's something I like to do a lot too. If you go to sizing, go to width, and you just go to 90%, and that's gonna be good. And I meant to do that on the phone actually. So just go to phone, and then go to 90%. All right, and then you want to make sure you got it centered. Same for the tablet. 90% and centered. Check. Tablet's 90% and alignment's in the middle. There it is. Check. All right, and that looks good right there, like that. That looks fine. Let's go to the phone. Same thing. I'm just gonna add some spacing to this one. Design and spacing or sizing. Just go 90%. And that's 90% inside that box, okay? So go there, and then let's go to check. And now something else I'll do, I'll go here and go design and sizing. So you can see this one's on 80% and it's this one, so I'm just gonna change this to 90%. Okay, and go check. Same thing in here, design and sizing. And since I didn't put it on the mobile phone, that did change a little bit. So let's go back here. Alright, on the desktop it looks fine. I'm actually going to put a little bit of space on top there. So design and spacing. And let's just go with no, it's 48. Yeah, 150. 125. There we go. Check. Alright, so that's how you do a cool little form like that. And you can see it breaks down on mobile there. And actually we'll do this again, design and spacing and padding on the phone. Just do 40. Right. And then the tablet looks fine. Alright, so that's how you make a cool little lead magnet opt-in page with a Divi theme. So if you like this page, I'm actually going to be giving it away to members of Divi Planet. So you can go check that out. DiviPlanet.com and get 5 free landing pages there. Alright guys, hope you like this video. Go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and check out my other landing page tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.